I finished laundry, I am now going to actually empty out all of my drawers. I'm gonna get rid of things I don't really want, and I'm gonna fold them very, very, very nicely for them to actually fit in the drawers, because I know they're decent, but they can be better. So I'm gonna do that now. So this is my underwear and bra drawer. All right, my next one is my favorite. It's my shirt drawer. So it has spaghetti straps, tank tops, short sleeves, and the long sleeves in the back. And then these two right here, they are actually my bralettes. So that is my second drawer. This is my pajama drawer. I got rid of a lot. So it goes shorts, long pants, and then my matching sets, a shirt, a pajama dress, and then long sleeves. And then back there is a long pair of socks. So that's my third drawer. This is my shorts and jeans and also workout shorts. So I have all these jeans. These are all my like name brand jeans like Hollister and Levi. More expensive jeans, I should say. I'm so cheap when it comes to jeans. All my shorts, and then my workout shorts. I have my spandex and then my actual like gym shorts. So that's my fourth drawer. This is another jean drawer, but also a bathing suit drawer. So these are my bathing suit tops, bathing suit bottoms, and then these are my like off-brand jeans, like my TJ Maxx and Marshall jeans. This is my fifth drawer. And lastly, my favorite drawer is my workout drawer. So we got all my leggings, sports bras, my sports jacket, t-shirts, and tank tops. So this is my last drawer, my workout drawer. I'm very, very, very happy with how it turned out. Alrighty, so I hope you liked today's video. Again, it was the making the bed, doing laundry, and then doing my drawers. I've been wanting to do my drawers for so long, so I'm so glad I finally accomplished it. And they look great. I hope you think it looks great, and I hope that gives you some ideas and tips on how to organize a drawer. Again, I did kind of the Marie Kondo method where I made it into a triangle and I stacked them all up so where I could see all of my items. And I didn't touch every one, of course. I already kind of did that a while ago. I went through all my clothes and got rid of some. So that's why I don't have a lot of things in the basket. But I do hope it helped a little bit. It was so much fun doing it. I love organizing things. So yeah, again, that was my cleaning organization video. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you next week. Thanks, bye.